Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to grab 1,000 efficiency pickaxe in Minecraft 1.2 1.6. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Fire up Minecraft Java Edition and start a world. Once it's loaded, go to LAN and command cheat put it on. Cheats are essential for this trick to work. Next, press the T key to open the chat window. Copy and paste this command. You find it in the description, then hit enter. Boom! You've got a pickaxe that mines like a dream, breaking blocks in seconds. You can swap netherite pickaxe for diamond pickaxe if you prefer a different material. It's perfect for creative builds or testing, but it's overpowered for survival without cheats. And that's it. You've successfully scored a 1,000 efficiency pickaxe in Minecraft 1.2 1.6. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.